Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can power off manually your JBL Endurance Race earbuds. So in the most cases, to power them off, you can just basically put them back to the charging case and then close the cover and they will turn off. But if something is wrong with your case, for example, you lost this cover and you want to power them off, just open the application and then hit this power off button and confirm. And as you can see right now, we are not connected anymore. The indicators are turned off. To power them on, just put them back to the case, close the cover, and yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.